back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to be showing you what I got in my recent Morphe order. They are all brushes as well as 2 sponges, but I am just going to be going through them and showing you what they're supposed to do. Let's just open this thing up. Should probably just get some scissors, but you know what? That requires more energy. So all of the brushes that I got are part of the Elite series from Morphe, and I'm just going to read you what it says on their website. So these are the holy grail of Elite. They're all synthetic brushes and that go the distance and take your artistry to the next level. So they're for the perfecting master. They're the best of the best brushes for eyes and face, and they're premium synthetic bristles that are precision perfection. The first brush that I got is the Morphe E29. This is called the Tapered Bronzer Brush, and it was $17. I got this to use for bronzer, but now that I'm feeling it, I almost feel like it might be too dense for bronzer, but it might still work out. But other than that, I might use it just to set the face. Website, it says that this is a soft brush with a rounded head for applying bronzer just where you want it. Use it to apply bronzer in a 3D pattern for a softer contoured look. And it also says that it's great for applying blush and powder. So just like I thought, I think that is what I will end up using this for the most. Next brush that I got is the E4. It is called the Angled Contour, and this was $14. And it is smaller than I thought when I saw it online, but it does look like it will fit in the contour areas of your cheek really nicely. But I also feel like this will be good for like when you bake. I feel like this will be really good for just brushing away that powder. So the website says that this is a full, soft, angled brush that will fit effortlessly into the hollows of the cheeks and around the curves of the face for a perfectly blended contour, and it's also great for blush and powder. So this sounds quite similar to the E59, however I do think that this one is more precise just because of the size and the angling of the brush. The next brush that I got is the E41. This is called the Round Deluxe Powder, and this was $23, and I was really excited for this one just because I was looking for a brush that would just easily set my face, and this is a really nice size. I am really liking the way this looks and feels. I feel like this will just make applying powder super easy and quick. It says that this is a soft, luxurious brush with a full domed head for powder and bronzing, and this brush will give a diffused wash of color and leave the skin with a soft, airbrushed finish. And isn't that what we all want? This also just feels really nice on the face. Next brush that I have is the E28, the Round Blender. This was $7, and I just got this just because I wanted another crease brush for eyeshadow, and these brushes are really soft. So if you want soft brushes, these are good, but I just wanted another crease brush. The website says that this is a fluffy, round-tipped blending brush for a soft wash of color in the crease and diffusing and blending and over application of color. Next one is the E36 Detail Crease brush. This was $5, and this is a lot smaller than I thought when I saw it online. I was thinking of a brush that would just be more precise in the crease, but this is actually a lot smaller. So now that I see this, I think that this will be really good for highlighting the inner corner of the eye, or also highlighting the brow bone. And this could also be good for putting some eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Their website says, this stiff, tapered brush fits right into the crease for precise placement of color. Perfect for defined cut crease looks or packing color onto the outer V. I didn't think of that. Yeah, this could definitely be good for cut crease as well. The last 2 items that I got are 2 sponges. I have the, let's see, this is the Flawless Beauty Sponge, and this is the Highlight and Contour Sponge. They were both $7. I was really excited to try both of these out because I've been using the Real Techniques sponge for a very long time. I love that sponge, but I wanted to try something new. But I actually took these out of the box earlier and I wet them, and the Highlight and Contour one actually stayed pretty stiff. It felt a little bit too dense for a sponge because you are patting it all around your face, and I just felt like it was a little bit too harsh. And this one did get a little more soft, so it was easier to use on the face. However, I do feel like both of these sponges absorbed a lot more product. I know that sponges tend to do that because they're sponges, but I feel like the Real Technique sponge doesn't take as much product away as these do. So I was a bit disappointed in these. So that is it for today's video. I know that that was short, but I hope that you liked it. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more from me in the future. I hope that you all have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you all next time.